So apparently, well, I don't know what. Oh my god, what happened? Where did the rock? Oh, thought for a second. I'm trying to make a shelter because I'm doing like some kind of nuke RP or whatever you want to say. Jeez, oh, we're kind of close. What is it actually a secret? Boom. Alright, let me just build some speed, you know. Boom. Okay. Well, at least the car doesn't get damaged, but the rock does. Well, it'll take forever, dude. It'll take you just for. Let. Keep digging, dude. Keep. Oh. Keep digging, dude. Keep digging. I'm literally just gonna hit the car because of this. Alright. Another one. Another one. Why do I have to do all the work? It's just hate. For but it's so hard for first person. Around 10 or 15 minutes. Okay, vibes, I gotcha. Oh, I'm just gonna mine it. I'm wreck. Oh hey, ugly red okay X's vibes here has to go. What's the car? Wait, what? Back up. Okay, sort of lag. Ooh. Get out of my way. Get out of my god. I gotta take a bath now. Alright, he left. Oh, circle corrections. That's fine, I'll do like this. Should we this best of 12 shotgun? I don't know which rounds has, maybe slug or 12 gauge. I'm not sure. But I'm pretty sure he has slug rounds in it. What? Bro, get hit. Nothing. You can also see a house in fire in the background. Lol. No. Oh. I'm kind of bored. Just doing this. But it's gonna take forever, dude. It's gonna take literally forever. Was that generator blown up? No, it wasn't. No, I'm actually gonna do that real quick. Wait, I'm stuck. Ooh, I'm driving the car. Let me put character damage. Oh, that sucks. So what am I gonna do? It is so how to get the explosion badge or whatever it was. Wait, oh my god, It's lagging so badly. So over here in this part you can get it. No, my game is currently kind of low. Oh wait, no, it wasn't. It was here. It was here. In this blue room. You. Oh wait, what? It has been destroyed. The man has been destroyed in Lego City. Lego City. Wait, what's happened to the house? Bro, what's happening? What the? I thought for a second I got smaller. I remember a funny moment of Bill about for treasure that I got smaller by some reason, you know? No, I'm actually, because that bomb clearly like blows the entire house up. Like it just half. Let's say half. Half-Life. Not sure which one is the explosive, but it's shoot them all. You know you can damage yourself without people to hit you. To do it, you do character damage, and then you know what you do? Wait a minute. That you try to shoot like this. Let me get rid of the force field. Now I did got damaged, of course. But let's try that again. Yeah, I did damage to myself. Looks weird, dude. No, another badge. Oh yeah. Looks like they already cleared that out. Like I got the secret 5, secret 2. No. I'm gonna vandalize his vehicle. La la la. Vandalizing simulator. Jeez, you're all the ice cream. Well, if you eat one of those ice creams, you can clearly die. Pfft. You actually die if you eat one. You'll say brain freeze. No pistol does more damage. Of course not. Also, the creator must repair this thing. Where is this? Yeah. Now let's. Oh! What have I done? What have you done to me? My butt feels weird. No, I actually do have a. Let me show you how to vandalize people. Yeah, that some of it works. Boom. 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 He's done. The third. Boom. The fourth. How much HP he has? Oh, he's low. He's low, boy. Oh my. Cringe. This is cringe. Yeah. We got him. That's how to vandalize people. Lol, he died, dude. He died. He's currently AFK. Bro, I didn't know that you can do that to people. That's actually epic. I actually did vandalize him. What was the word? But this is what I mean, cringy wine. Ooh, full of cringe. Oh my god. Oh my god. No? Where did he spawn? I think he... Wrong one. Oh, that was good. Whoa. Oh, that's low. That was sick. AirPods 2 is actually a fast shotgun. Pistol. Is this Desert Eagle? Many people say that is a Desert Eagle. He says, okay. He's like screaming, dude. Just a few minutes ago. Where did it spawn? Did it spawn? Did it spawn? Is it here? Come on, boy. Is he dead? But I do see his name. Ripping pepperoni. Yeah, I'm gonna bury the evidence. Bury the evidence. Yes. Yeah. We all have abilities. I would like to bury the evidence. Alright, evidence buried. Low. Oh wow. Died by this sparrow. Advantage. Me? What? Let's go for the win. What?